Hey y'all! Welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to share with you 5 at-home date nights that are fun, easy, and budget-friendly. And best of all, we've tried them all out, so we hope you love them just as much as we do. Let's get started. First off is game night. Grab yourself a board game or a card game and start spending some quality time together after the kids are in bed. My husband and I enjoy Yahtzee, Uno, and Rummy. We add in some snacks, some wine, tell each other some jokes and stories from the day. It's a great, easy time together. My second idea is to simply read a book together. My husband and I enjoy cozying up on the couch, taking turns reading pages back and forth, and discussing what might happen next with the plot. Besides being very budget-friendly, this is a great way to get to know your spouse more. My third at-home date night idea is to stargaze together. After you've put the kids to bed, go outside, get on your back porch, maybe grab a glass of wine, and just be near each other. Soak in the night air, pray together, be thankful for each other. It'll be amazing the conversations that will come out of that time together, just sitting on the back porch and looking at the night sky. What an easy way to get in some quality time with the one you love. Next up is get in the kitchen together and make a dessert. After the kids have gone to sleep, you could put some icing on some of your favorite cookies. You could share a milkshake together. You could create a banana boat or whatever dessert really hits your fancy. The fun and laughter that can come out of these moments is immeasurable. And last, but definitely not least, is to get up and dance. You don't have to go out to the clubs to get your dance on. Get up in the middle of your living room and dance with the person you love. Hold them close. Have a great time together. Maybe learn a new kind of dance together. There are so many tutorials out there on YouTube now that will teach you things such as the waltz, country line dancing, and my personal favorite, shag dancing. The best part of doing this at home is you can do it in your pajamas. Have fun together. Let loose. Enjoy the dance. I hope these date night ideas help you get in some quality time with your number one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, wishing you and your number one lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!